Welcome back, pet lovers. Today, we're diving into one of the coolest, pun-intended products on the market for our furry companions, the Green Pet Shop Dog Cooling Mat. Designed to keep our pets comfortable during those scorching summer days, this pressure-activated cooling mat is an absolute game-changer. Let me tell you why. First off, let's talk convenience. Unlike other cooling solutions that require water, electricity, or refrigeration, this mat works like magic on its own. No need to plug it in or fill it with water. Just lay it down, and watch as the patented gel formula kicks into action, providing instant relief for your pet. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. Whether your pet prefers lounging on the floor, sofa, or inside their crate, this mat can go wherever they do. It's lightweight, portable, and folds effortlessly for travel. Now, let's talk size. From extra small to extra large, there's a perfect fit for every furry friend. And with breed recommendations for large breeds, you can rest assured that your pet will be cool and comfortable no matter their size. Worried about keeping it clean? Don't be. A simple wipe down with a damp cloth is all it takes to keep this mat in pristine condition. So there you have it, folks. The Green Pet Shop Dog Cooling Mat is not only the best cooling solution for your pet, but also a must-have accessory for any pet owner, especially during those hot summer months. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Until next time, keep your pets cool and comfy.